Hey everyone, Ricky Hayes here. Building a successful e-commerce brand isn't just about selling products, it's about creating a community. In today's world, customers don't just want to buy from a brand, they want to feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves, something that makes them feel part of a movement. That's exactly what we're diving into today. How to build a thriving community around your e-commerce brand to boost loyalty, engagement, repeat customers, and long-term growth. First off, why is community building such a game changer for e-commerce brands and frankly, any business? It builds loyalty and trust. Customers who feel like they're part of a community stick around and buy time and time again. They're not just buying products, they're buying into your story, your mission, and your values. It boosts engagement with your brand. A thriving community keeps people talking, whether it's through discussions, user-generated content, or exclusive perks. Engaged customers are the ones who remember your brand and refer more business, which is the best type of business. It fuels organic growth. The beauty of community is that people love to share what they're passionate about. Think about brands like Gymshark or Glossier. They didn't just grow through ads, their communities were their best advocates. Before you can build a community, you need to know what it stands for. Here's how to define your community's identity. Clarify your purpose. Ask yourself, what's your why? What does your brand stand for beyond selling products? Whether it's sustainability, empowerment, or innovation, your purpose will attract like-minded people. That becomes your unique selling point that no one can take from you, ever. Define your values. Your values should be loud and clear. Are you all about inclusivity? Helping busy parents? Make sure those values show up in every piece of content, every post, and every interaction. All helps formulate what attracts people to love your brand and becomes a unique identity no one can take from you. Understand your audience. This one's critical. Who are your ideal customers? What do they care about? What challenges do they face? The more you know, the better you can create a space they'll want to be part of. Choosing the right platform for your community depends on your audience and how they like to interact. Here are a few options. Facebook groups, easy to use, familiar, and great for fostering discussions and sharing updates. Perfect if you want a simple central hub for your community. Instagram. This platform is all about visuals. Use stories, lives, and hashtags to showcase your community's content and create a sense of connection. Discord or Slack. If you're looking for deeper engagement, these platforms are fantastic. They allow real-time conversations and build tighter-knit communities with a lot more controls. Your own website. For full control, consider hosting your community directly on your website with forums or a membership area. It keeps everything on brand and centralized. This is my favorite one as it adds branding to it. But I personally think building a community on all is the best choice. You give people choice to communicate how they want, so long term, I suggest all. All right, let's get to the meat of this. How to actually build and engage your community. Here are the strategies that work. Create exclusive content, share content that's only available to your community via tools like email marketing or your private communities. Encourage user-generated content, UGC. Get your customers to share photos, reviews, or videos featuring your products. Highlight their content on your socials or website. It makes them feel valued and part of the journey. I do this using email marketing and Instagram with competitions to encourage that works a treat. Host events and challenges. Virtual events, live Q&A sessions or challenges are fantastic for engagement. Be creative, based on your brand, align it to something they all want. For example, if it is fitness apparel, a 30-day workout challenge fits perfectly. Reward loyalty, people love perks, offer discounts, exclusive products, or loyalty points for being active in your community. The more they engage, the more they get as a discount, and the more they will be loyal to your brand. Be authentic and accessible. This one's huge. People want to connect with real humans, not just a logo or AI. Show up, respond to comments, ask questions, and genuinely engage with your community. Listen to their feedback and apply it. Building a community isn't set it and forget it. You've got to measure its impact and continuously improve. Here's how. Track engagement metrics. Measure likes, comments, shares, and event participation. High engagement means you're on the right track. This, for example, is views to like ratio. If you are getting 100 views and 10 likes, that is 10%, which is very high, means you are doing something right. Gather feedback. Ask your community directly what they enjoy and what they want more of. Their insights will guide your next steps and usually makes you a lot more money and keeps them engaged as they are being heard. Adapt to growth. As your community grows, your approach might need to evolve. Larger communities might require moderators that love your brand to manage your community so your hard work is not tarnished. Building a thriving community around your e-commerce brand isn't easy, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. A strong community doesn't just increase sales, it builds loyalty, turns customers into advocates, and gives your brand a lasting edge that no one can take from you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, take care, and goodbye.